At RedFish Inspections, we believe every home tells a story, and it's our job to ensure that story starts with a solid foundation. With over a decade of experience, our certified team of inspectors use the latest technology to provide a complete and detailed assessment of your property. From the foundation to the rooftop, we leave no stone unturned. RedFish Inspections offers comprehensive services, including drone-assisted roof inspections, thermal imaging, sewer scopes, and much more. Our goal? To ensure you have the full picture before making one of the biggest decisions of your life. At no extra cost, our clients enjoy bonus services like lawn irrigation system inspections, thermal imaging, roof drone inspections, and even a move-in pest spray. Our customers speak for us. We're proud to remain a 5-star rated company, and we continue to grow that trust every day. RedFish Inspections is expanding, now serving Dallas and San Antonio. Ready to schedule your inspection? Contact RedFish Inspections today to ensure your home is in the best hands.